Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you 3 super simple fall DIYs using inexpensive items like these charger plates that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. For idea number 1, I'm using 2 of the charger plates along with 2 of these 3 compartment organizers, all from Dollar Tree. I thought my design needed a bit more sparkle, so here I'm adding a Dollar Tree metal sign and glitter eucalyptus that I already had at home. And here's how idea number 1 turned out. For idea number 2, I'm using 2 more of the charger plates along with 2 of these metal drawer pulls, also from Dollar Tree. The screws that come with the pulls are a bit too long, so I'm using smaller screws that I already had at home. I wanted to give my tray a bit of height, so I'm adding a second charger plate to the bottom. Here, I'm adding fall ribbon that I purchased last year from Dollar Tree. And here's how idea number 2 turned out. For idea number 3, I'm making a 4.5 by 12 inch wooden vase using these 12 by 12 inch wooden decor signs from Dollar Tree. You can use foam board for this project as well. Once my wood glue was completely dry, I added one of the charger plates to each side of the vase. Adding the fourth charger plate was a bit challenging. In hindsight, I should have made the wooden vase 5 by 12 inches. There's also a small gap between each of the charger plates, which I don't mind, but that's worth mentioning. To complete the project, I added Dollar Tree floral foam and florals, and here's how I did number 3 turned out. I intentionally left these designs clean and simple, and I really love how all 3 ideas turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.